Hello everybody, my name is Thales Macedo and this is my first tutorial in English, so I'm sorry for any mistake in my English, but let's see. Today we're gonna do this effect. It's a very simple thing to do and a very fast thing to do. It was done in 3ds Max using TyFlow. It's not a real fur simulation because the fur aren't bending and aren't colliding each other. It's a trick, but it's worth it because it's faster and it could use in other situations as well. So let's see. Here in 3ds Max, we're gonna create a sphere. We're gonna put the TyFlow on the scene and start with a birth. Okay, so I will set this to start all the particles in the frame 0. I'm gonna use position object to put the particles on the sphere, right? And I put, I'm gonna put a shape. We have some nice shapes here inside the TyFlow. I'm using grad long, okay? We aren't seeing because it's set up as a small dot, so change to geometry. It's very small right now, so I'll put a scale and scale up this. Okay, I think this could work. Right now all the particles are pointed upwards, but it's not what we want. So I will change the rotation and I will use surface align to align the particles with the sphere. So this is the way where we're gonna do this. So right now, if we animate this sphere, we're gonna see the particles aren't falling in the sphere, because for this we need to bind them. So I'm gonna use object bind and select the sphere, and now they are binding. But we can see we haven't the dynamic movement so far. For this, we're gonna use a trick. This is a operator. It's called Wobble Operator. Um, Wobble will duplicate the particles. We can see. Uh, before it, we had 200 particles, and after Wobble, we had 400 particles. Because for each particle, it creates a new particle. And this is how Wobble works. This is the original particle, and this is the Wobble particle. It creates a new particle with a distance. We can change the distance using this. And the Wobble particle is linked at the original particle, but the Wobble particle can move and can spring. You can balance using some springs. And the original particle will keep trying to look at these wobble particles. So this is the trick. This will move and this will rotate trying to look at it. Okay. So we have some really nice settings here. Let me try to move faster. Right now we aren't seeing this effect because all the particles are binded in the object bind. So I'm gonna send these particles to another event. So just create a display and send this to the new event. We can see in this event we have 200, and now in this we have 200 as well. And it's gonna work. Yeah. Let me speed up this a little bit to see better. Yeah. In the Wobble configuration, we can change the stiffness. If we decrease this number, the particle is gonna move more. Okay, and it's almost there. The decay is the time the particles will need to settle down. If we decrease, the particles will moving more. Let's see. And if we increase, the particles will move for a shorter time, for a shorter period of time. Okay. We have the possibility to do some variation in these values, and this is nice to reach a more organic look. This is good for us. And now I just want to increase a little bit the scale, like this. I will increase the scale as well, the Wobble scale. And we don't need to see the Wobble's particles. Okay. And just increase the number of particles. Let me try some numbers. Yeah, this could work. I will just put some scale variation. Maybe this. Yeah, this could work. I will turn off just a moment to animate this sphere. Okay, let's do a rotation movement and then position as well. Okay, let's set a time to settle down and then a movement. Settle down again and another movement. This is just to test the effect, is not so important. I will put the timeline on the end to cache, but you can see it's very fast and it's working. It's really nice. So we can hide the sphere if you want, but the effect is it. It's very fast thing to do. So I hope you like it. If you like, please subscribe my channel, and that's it. See you later. Bye bye.